Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the background of your video from this to this using only one app called CapCut. Click onto your CapCut app after downloading, and then you click on that expand arrow key, click on text to image. Now in this place you can write down anything you wish to create. Now today we're going to be creating an office space. You really don't have to use all the fancy terminologies you see here. You can be as basic as you want to be. This is a place you can create and uncreate, okay? So here I'm just trying to add a couple of things. And what it created isn't exactly what I wanted, so I'm going to have to go back and start from where I stopped and build on that. You can always cancel if the AI generated what you don't want. You can always start afresh, okay? After it has generated a picture I would like to use, I just go around and try to imagine the video I would place over this, how it would look. Then I select the one I find to be most suitable, and when I click on it there will be options, and so I save it. And I can decide to upscale, but I'll just save it directly. After saving, I go to new project, click on photos and click on the photo I just downloaded. Now I'm going to increase the length of this photo to be almost the same size as the video I want to place over it. If your video is 2 minutes long, try to increase the length of the picture to 2 minutes, but mine is roughly about 20 seconds or less. When you're done editing the length of the picture, now a video, click on anywhere on your screen, click on effects, click on video effects, and then you search for blur. Now the reason why you're going to blur the image is so that it will look like the camera is focusing directly on you and the image behind you is not in focus. So that's what you're trying to do. Now if you can't find the effect blur, simply click on the search bar and type BLUR. Okay, now when you are able to get this effect, you can decide to tag it as favorite to enable you have easier access to it in the future. Now we're going to blur our image, adjusting it to see what would make it look more realistic. Now I don't want it too out of focus and I don't want it too in focus, so I'm trying to find the balance, and well, I'm choosing 3. After we're done, we extend the effect till the end of the picture, because we want it to cover from the beginning of the picture till the end of the picture. Okay, now when we're done, we go back and click overlay. Now you are going to add the video you have previously taken. Now here I'm clicking the video most suitable for me, and I'm trying to adjust the video according to where I would like my face to be placed on the image, because remember, this background behind me is going to be taken out, so I want it to look to the audience watching that particular video to see as if I'm in an office space. Here I'm seeing the length of the picture is more than the video, so I'm just going to click on split to split and remove the excess. When you're done, you go back and click on the overlaid video you have inserted. Search for cutouts. We're going to search for cutouts because it's here we're going to remove the background. So found it, click on remove background. When you click on remove background, it starts removing the background automatically. Now if you want to stop that process, then you can click on turn off cutouts. Okay, you can also adjust the cutout when it's done by clicking on cutout stroke. That is, you are trying to select where exactly you would like the cutout to be, or in this case where exactly I would like myself to show. Currently my background has been removed and I'm going to try and place myself where I find most suitable. At this point, you can just decide to play around with the size, with the movement, to just see what feels right with you. Now try to make it as natural as possible. We don't want it to be looking like it's obvious. We made some adjustments. Okay, try to also play back the video to see how it looks. Here I'm seeing the picture is smaller than the video, so I'm just making some minor adjustments. That's why you watch the video from beginning till end. And for now we are done. At this point, you download or export your video to your phone and you save. We're going to do another trial, okay? And in this case, I'm going to be using another image I got from the internet. Same procedure, we expanded the image to the length we want, and the regular steps. This image I got it from the internet, and you can use any image you like if you do not wish to generate an image with AI. Okay, in this particular one I decided to add the overlaid video first before I edited the picture. Remember, in the last one I actually blurred the picture previously before I added my overlay so that it will look more natural. Here I decided to add my overlay first. Now I'm placing my overlaid video adequately, adjusting my picture as desired. So we are going to search for cutout, as we would like to remove the background. Click remove background and it's going to load automatically. Once that is done, we are going to adjust our video on the image to see where it's most suitable. Now remember, we haven't blurred the picture at the back yet, but I'm just trying to place myself where I find to be most suitable. To blur, you click anywhere on the screen and click on effects. Go to video effects, search for blur. If you don't already have it saved under your favorites, since I do, I click on it and I click on adjust. Immediately you can see the difference, so you adjust as needed. I wanted it subtle but still present, okay, not overly done. Remember to adjust your blur effects from the beginning of your video to the end of your video to make sure it fits accordingly. Always go to the end to be sure it's done correctly, because sometimes the beginning is looking all fine, but the end you come and see black screen, which doesn't look professional. Okay, so now that we're done, we're going to play it through to just make sure it's all done correctly. Now that we're done, remember to download your video and export to your phone. We've come to the end. I hope you've learned a lot. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Do me a favor by leaving a comment of thank you or I really learned a lot, so I know you stuck to the end and it is going to be highly appreciated. Till next time, bye.